Hi everyone, it's me again, Jewel, and in this video, I'm gonna discuss to you what are the 3 products of Planet Tours Travel and Earn. Number 1, we have GIT. The GIT is the Group Inclusive Tour Packages. Number 2 is the FIT, the Free Independent Tour Packages. And lastly, we have Layaway Plan Packages. So, in this video, I'm gonna discuss what is GIT. So, the Group Inclusive Tour. So, si GIT, it's a group of people na like 10, minimum of 10 and up. Yun yung kasama dun sa package. So in this product, we don't have to think about how to book the tickets, how to book the itinerary, how to do the itinerary, and how to book a hotel. It's because it's already there. So kumbaga wala ka nang ibang iisipin. Nandyan na sa GIT, kumpleto na po siya. So, isang bayaran na lang po at pwede na po kayo mag-travel. So, ano po ba yung dapat isipin? So, sa GIT kasi, it's already fixed. So, fixed na po siya, ganito. Kumbaga, dated na po, nandyan na po yung mga dates kung kailan kayo mag-travel. So, nakalagay na po dyan specific dates and the itinerary kung ano yung mga dapat nyo punta, kung ano yung mga pupuntahan nyo on that schedule. So, ayan po. And, ang kagandahan, isa lang yung babayaran nyo, but all in na po siya. So, meron kayong mga babayaran dyan. So, siguro, taxes, insurances, and the TP kung saan kayong bansa. So, hawak nyo na po yan, and also your pocket money. So, what is the advantage of this product? So, in this product po kasi, all you have to do is to pay one time kasi hindi ka na mag-iisip when it comes to tickets. Hindi ka na magbubook kasi nandyan na lahat. But, yun nga, ang pinaka doon is, ang disadvantage, hindi naman masasabing disadvantage, isa sa pinaka iisipin natin is, hindi na po siya mababago. So, ano yung nakalagay dito sa aming package? Ayan. Kung anong nakalagay dyan sa aming package, yun na po yun. Hindi na po siya pwedeng baguhin kasi naka-fix na. Kumbaga, nabayaran na operator, nandun na lahat, nakabook na ang ticket, pati yung mga hotels, pati yung itinerary kung saan. So, all you have to do, you just choose what dates you like, kung saan dyan, and I'll post what are the products, kung anong bansa meron tayo with the dates. Kasi most of the dates is, tawag nito, sold out na. Kasi ang daming gusto talaga mag-travel ngayon, especially the group of people. So, sa GIT naman, all you have to do is, if you are a group of people, mas maganda, mas makakamura kayo. But pwede din naman, kahit 5 or less than 5. But it's a joiners po kasi. Meron po kayong makakasama na hindi nyo kakilala in these packages. Which is good naman. At least you can mingle other people. You can meet other people as well. So, yun yung kagandahan sa Group Inclusive Tour. So, that's it for today. And I hope may na-learn kayo with our Group Inclusive Tour Packages. And the next video, I'm gonna discuss to you what is the Free Independent Tour Packages. And thank you so much. And book now, no? Book now. Kasi sobrang ganda ng mga packages na meron tayo. And mas makakamura po kayo with GIT. Thank you so much. Bye!